Alrighty guys, welcome to your 10th video, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to use the ruler tool. Now I opened up a picture already of me when I don't know, I look like I'm about 4 years old or something, and I can't remember exactly what happened this day, but it looks like I drank one too many juice boxes and I was probably just recovering from a hangover or something. But anyways, the ruler tool is under a it's usually the eyedropper tool, but if you click it and hold it, you're going to select the ruler tool, and as you can see, your cursor changes to a little ruler with a plus sign and a little arrow on it. So the most simple thing that you can do with the ruler tool is just to drag the ruler tool or drag your cursor around, and what it does is it measures the screen for you, whatever you're measuring. So if I wanted to measure the distance of my body, I can see that from point A to where I started dragging to where I finished dragging, the width at the very top is 832 and the height is negative 202 pixels. Now negative just means that you're going up and positive going down. So it's basically 202 pixels change in height. Now whenever you release that, you can see that the line stays there. Now it stays there for a couple reasons, and we're going to be getting to that shortly, how we can change the line around even. But another thing I want to mention before I forget is also if you drag and hold down the shift key on your keyboard, your ruler is going to snap to a perfect 45-degree angle no matter if your cursor is off by a little bit. So that's 45, that's 0 degrees, and you could also, go 180, 360. Well, I guess 360 would be in the same spot. But just remember that whenever you hold down the shift key, it snaps to 45-degree angles. Now, another thing I want to mention is, say that you made a measurement like this, and you're like, you know what, I want to measure the distance from this line to this red line. So what you can do is actually you can change the starting point and the ending point of your ruler. If you go ahead and hover over one of these points, you can move it around by dragging it and dropping it. Same thing with the ending point, just go ahead and drop that into place. And aside from just moving the beginning point and the ending point, you can actually move this entire line. See, by default, your cursor has an arrow, a ruler, and a little plus sign, and once you hover over your line, that plus sign is going to disappear. That's your indicator that you are hovered over the line. So if you just drag this and move it, you can go ahead and readjust that exactly where you want it. Now another cool thing that you can do is you can actually clear this line altogether, and by clearing it I mean get rid of this line, because if you say, okay, I'm just going to click away, oh crap, it's not getting rid of it, maybe I'll just do another one. Okay, got rid of this one, but now I have this line. What the heck? In order to get rid of this line completely, just go ahead and hit this clear button on the top, and bam, your line's gone. Now the last thing I want to tell you guys is a cool little trick, and it's how to straighten a layer once you have a ruler measurement set. So say that for some reason you wanted to straighten this layer so that these lines on the bed, instead of going, to like a 45-degree angle, that they were horizontal left and right according to the document. Well, what you could do is you could draw a line. There's actually several ways to do this. This is probably probably the hardest way. But what you could do is you could actually draw a line along this bed and go up to here and press straighten layer. Now what that would do is take this line that's at I don't know, like a 31-degree angle right now, and whenever it straightens, you can see your image straightens along that line. So now it looks like I'm about to slide off the bed and my head's probably going to hit, a toy or something down here. But nonetheless, that's your introduction on how to use the basic ruler tool. And in the next tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to use something called the ruler guides. It's going to be thrilling. So I'll see you guys next time.